guys, I'm here today with another video, and in today's video I'm reviewing this homemade borehole pipe that works as the original borehole pipe that we use in the villages. Although the project is a prototype, the demonstration over here shows that it works really just like the normal borehole pipe that we use in the villages. Before I forget, I have a comedy coming up on this, so I'll be leaving a link in the description box below. Be sure to check it out when the video is out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.